Standard 5 Subject Social Science. Today we will discuss Unit 4 Part 1 Atmosphere. In this video we will learn about knowing the biosphere and understand atmosphere. Our earth is called as a biosphere because it is the planet or a place which is supposed to live life. Biosphere is life on earth. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that can support life. Lithosphere is land on earth. Hydrosphere is water on earth. Atmosphere is air on earth. You know, children, to live, we need air, water, and land. So, the combination of all these things only supports the life. When there is air, water, and land, then only life can survive. Lithosphere. Level of the land on continents is not the same everywhere. Lithosphere has rocks and soil that have nutrients. It composed of rock and soil with its support to plant life. Hydrosphere. Different waters like river, lake, pond, sea, oceans, etc. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth. Envelope means layer. And then weather. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall. Amount of water vapor is called humidity. We know the weather is changed daily. Today rain, tomorrow it may not rain. And then climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. The climate is depending on the season. It is going to be the same. Let us see what the air is made up of. What are the gases are formed on the earth? That is called as composition of air. Composition means components on the earth. What are the things that are on the earth? Let us see what are the different gases. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Nitrogen comprises 78%, oxygen comprises 21%, and other gases 1%, including carbon dioxide, ozone, argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon, and methane. Now we will see what is gravitational force. Newton observed when you drop a ball or a feather down, the ball which is heavier, which weights moves goes to the ground first. This was first identified by the person in the picture, Isaac Newton. He was sitting under an apple tree and an apple fell on his head. He thought, what makes the apple fall down, not go up? And he found the gravitational force, the force that pulled everything on the surface of the earth towards itself. Dear children, did you know the word climate is derived from the Greek word called klima? The word climate is derived from the Greek word klima. And then World Meteorological Day, March 23rd. World Meteorological Day, March 23rd. World Ozone Day, September 16. World Ozone Day, September 16. The September 16 to know the importance of ozone layer. To know the importance of ozone layer. Let's see the different layers of the atmosphere. We know that the gravitational force increases near the earth and decreases as we go higher. As a result, the density of air also differs and can be found in 5 layers called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. All weather changes occurred in the troposphere. The study of weather is called meteorology. Let's see the atmospheric layers. Atmospheric layers can be divided into 5 types: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. First, see the troposphere. Troposphere is the most important layer of the atmosphere. It average height 13 km. The air we breathe exists here. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog, and storm occur in this layer. And then stratosphere. Stratosphere above the troposphere like the troposphere. It extends us to a height of 50 km. This layer is almost free from cloud and associated with the weather phenomena, making conditions most ideal for flying aeroplanes. One important feature of this stratosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gas. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. It extends up to a height of 80 km. In this layer, entering from the space. Thermosphere. In thermosphere, temperature increasing the height. It extends between 80 to 400 km. This layer helps in radio transmission. Radio wave transmitted earth or reflected from the earth by this layer. Exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. This layer has very thin air-like gases like helium, hydrogen float into the space from here. Dear students, what we learned in this video? In this video, we learned biosphere. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere that can support life. What is land on earth called lithosphere? What is water on earth called hydrosphere? What is air on earth called atmosphere? What is life on earth called biosphere? And learned weather and climate. Weather means it's a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere. We know the weather is changed daily. And climate. The climate is depending on the season. It is going to be the same. And learn the composition of air. What are the gases are formed on the air? That is called as the composition of air. And then we learned the layers of the air. The layers of the air can be classified into 5 types. There are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. All weather changes occurred in the troposphere. The study of weather is called meteorology. Thank you.